The Spring Lake Ranch, a therapeutic community in Shrewsbury, is expanding. NBC5's Lindsay Jones stopped by the site this afternoon to learn about the new programs for residents.
Spring Lake Ranch offers treatment for adults who struggle with mental health and substance abuse.
We provide clinical treatment, we provide psychiatric care, medication management, but we also have a farm work program.
Ranch residents learn skills from farming to carpentry. Rose McCracken, Director of Development and Communications, says the work helps residents build routine, community, and find purpose during recovery.
Our clinicians are actually outside with the residents every day, not just in the therapy room. They're on the farm crew with them. They're, in the garden weeding with them.
After almost a century of serving, Spring Lake Ranch is undergoing a massive multi-year renovation with the help of an $18 million capital campaign. So far, the recovery program has raised more than $15 million. McCracken says many donations have come from family of former residents.
They believe in what we're doing. They know that it makes a difference, and they want to help us make the difference for other residents in the future.
The ranch began renovations last year, completing a new staff kitchen 4 times the size of their old one, and a kitchen for residents so they can learn cooking skills.
When we first got to use the place, we didn't know what to do with the bigger space, and we absolutely love it all.
The expansion will also allow the ranch to add 12 new beds and a transitional living program.
This is the missing link, for long-term success, because we do hope that our residents will become independent when they leave here.
The transitional living building will be completed in the spring, and the final piece of the upgrade will be adding a music room and redoing their barn and gym.
We'd like to have more of the therapeutic animals.
McCracken says they expect to finish renovations in 2027. In Shrewsbury, Lindsay Jones, NBC5 News.